is a church where the word of God is preached in power and purity.
Constant relationship, constant communication, constant fellowship with God. That is indwelling in His presence.
There is a church where the Holy Ghost enjoys the fullest manifestation of the divine majesty. Something supernatural, deep and miraculous is happening, and it is happening in number 5, Afape Close, Alagoton, Iyanepaja, Lagos. It is the abundance of the latter rain. It is the center of apostolic revival. It is the outpouring of the glory of God. Life Restoration Gospel Mission International is a church like no other. Led by the senior pastor and general overseer, Austin Chike Ebule, the church continuously hosts the strange workings of the Godhead.
The thing you love so much, you are seeking so much, is to go back to God.
The senior pastor believes that God says what He means and means what He says.
Now, if your burial happened to be tomorrow and you are gone and gone forever, what will you tell the Lord of your arrival in heaven?
He constantly invokes the divine aura and liquid sacred fire and persuades men to relinquish sin.
Don't you know? Don't you see? Can't you see that you are missing God? All this while you're missing God.
Strife, worldliness, and all appearances of evil in order to experience and enjoy the holy halo and awesomeness of God. Through ministrations in the church and outside, shocking diseases are healed, and there are so many proofs of restoration of sight and sanity.
You are healed in the name of Jesus.
Do you feel an evil arrow had been shot into your body? Are you experiencing sickness that has defied medical solution? Are you in need of Bible-based counseling to enable you navigate through life's challenges? There is a balm in Gilead, and God is still awesome. All you need to do is believe God and reach out to God's servant, Austin Chike Ebule. A new dawn awaits you. This amiable ambassador of heaven is a choice speaker in conferences, retreats, solemn assemblies, and programs designed to provoke biblical revival. If you are in Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa, the place to be is Life Restoration Gospel Mission International.